Get in here. No camera in here. Fixtures. Walk. 3 is the highest floor I can go to in this one. And it's very tall. Fixtures. Oh well. This is brand new. What's the other side? This is a brand new elevator. These are Schindler 5500. Three. One more ride. Go up to 3 and then go down to 1. I should go other side. They already have a provided by Schindler 5500 key card. 1 hour. Going down?
Yeah.
What for?
Ground floor.
1.
Yeah.
This is brand new. I never seen these elevators before.
Yeah, I've never been here before. It's my first time.
They're brand new. Do you know what year this one opens?
Sorry?
Do you know what year this building opened?
No, I have no idea.
Okay, we say, alright.